Okay, so our bot is the initial trigger for the bot to take action is if it's showing unread emails within a designated email address that is designed for this process. The bot, as its process, would not be checking Outlook specifically, but it is reading that there are unread emails through a connection. You could see as these screens are changing and information is being input, this is all being interpreted off of a sales order. And the other nice thing about this system is you'll notice that the gallons were populated. Certain customers specific to our segment don't specify on an initial order. And what you're able to do is in those instances, you're able to build parameters within the bot on how to handle those. So they don't flag as exceptions. The information's still being put in, and it's being put in a way that would be interpreted and analyzed and handled by a user, a physical user that's familiar with the system. This is picking up, again, off of the sales order, all the specific pickup information, customer reference numbers. It's now verified the order. Specific to our processes, it's updating this order into our dispatch portal so that our dispatchers are aware of the upcoming loads for a particular day, week, month. And as this order is being brought up by the bot, again, automatically, no human intervention, the processes are then going to print all of the backup paperwork and save that as one electronic file. And as I mentioned before, in our case, having the secondary backup location, that was an added benefit of having the information prepared in the first place, because it allowed us to have an external source of that data outside of this software in the event of any kind of internet outages or power loss, any of those issues. We're able to retrieve it from an external source of the system. So that way, if there are any concerns, we're able to have that business continuity. We're able to have everything already prepared, at the time of data entry. Again, you'll see an Excel document. This is showing the status, again, of the orders that were put in. The status on some of these is showing as fail. Again, this was early on in the testing process. And again, you're able to make the changes directly onto this worksheet. And that top row of data is that's the order entry that we were just viewing on the screen. And here is all of the backup going into the folder that we specifically designated. And you'll see it's highlighting the order number. One of the things that we had added was the order number on the order itself. This is the customer sales order. This is an order summary, which provides details for our drivers as far as different items with the location, and then the bill of lading report. Again, all with the numbers printed on them, all in one one PDF file, so that we're able to access it very quickly.